Hey everyone, it is late at night and I'm Norman. I finally quit slacking and got a new battery for my friend's Bulova watch. This is the crazy watch with articulating lugs. I recently did a video removing the old battery from it. I've purchased some new ones, they've arrived. Tonight let's install a new battery, make sure that everything is working properly, and we'll do a quick wrist shot of this watch. And after I spend a little bit of time with it, I'll do a full review of it before I give it back to my friend. This is a piece that he's had since way before he was a watch nerd, so it's a very interesting piece. Something that you don't see a whole lot of us watch enthusiasts with, but it's the kind of piece that most of us own from our earlier collecting days, or perhaps we still purchase pieces like this. But I definitely had some watches that were along similar veins to this one way back in the day. So let's get this battery installed. Okay, so when I was shopping for batteries, I kind of screwed up. I did not get Renata's. I was a little bit preoccupied with delivery dates because batteries generally take a long time. And even though these are the correct model numbers, they're showing cameras here. Before I put one in, let me just double check that I do have the correct battery. So I'm going to check the old one out in the loop real quick and compare the information on these. It looks like they should be fine. They are the correct model, so let's pop one of these out. Hopefully they last a decent amount of time. I really should have gotten Renata batteries just for their reputation and whatnot, but these may be okay. I mean, there's plenty of them, so we can just burn through all these and then get name brand batteries. Okay, so I've left the case back open, but just resting on the watch this whole time so that I don't have to pry it open again. And we have this plastic movement holder here. And this part should be nice and easy. It just pops right in there. So here's our new battery. I'll slip it in there from the bottom up because this little bit of metal here at the top holds it in place. There we go. Let's see if it's running. I'll hold the movement in place here. We have a ticking seconds hand. Perfect. So I'll replace this. And I'll get this notch here lined up with the crown stem. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to use a case press to close it. Yeah, definitely. So let's find the right dies for this. I think these are called dies. Could be wrong. Maybe the small end of this one. Actually, what do I already have on here? This top one should work just fine. Yeah. Let me check the bottom one. That is perfect. It's just touching the bezel, not the crystal. Well, the crystal is kind of part of the bezel, so I'll have to be careful. Crystal goes all the way to the edge of the case. So we'll set that on there. Make sure the case back is right in the middle there, totally centered. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's on there. And the crystal is undamaged. Perfect. All right, let's see what this watch looks like on the wrist. There it is. With its rhinestones and murdered out aesthetic. And the articulating lugs. It's very comfortable because of those. Huh. I do like all black watches, and I feel like back in the day I probably would have been intrigued by this piece. Who knows? That is one glossy strap on there. But I'll have to let my friend know that it is working just fine. I'll do a review and get it back to him. So there you have it, my friend's old Bulova watch. It has a new battery in it and it's running great. So keep your eyes open in the near future for a full review of this watch. Thanks for watching.